Okay, this is Lake Lahontan Reservoir State Park, and this is the spot I'm in. I decided to stay here maybe one more night. I have some friends who live real close by. We're here yesterday. We had a few beers, and this campground, there's part of it that is underwater, and I can show that to you later. I'm going to walk over there a little later today and video that for you. But I guess normally the lake's not this close to these camp spots, so it's kind of cool. Anyway, so we'll get some more pictures for you, and we'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, real nice day today. I think it's supposed to get windy or something, but back at camp. Got this guy here, had his generator going late last night, past the quiet hours, and then it started up this morning, and it's been going ever since this morning. Oh well, gotta put up with it, I guess. Just kind of annoying, there's no quiet time with him. I'm not sure what that's all about, but it's pretty cool. Everybody out here having a good old time. Okay, so we're going to head over here to the part of the campground that's underwater. I'll get close to there, but you can see the stumps that they use to outline each spot. And we'll get a little closer. A couple picnic tables out there in the water. Oh, you can see, see the picnic table over there, around those trees. And then it looks like there's one way out there. Right there, underwater. So, amazing. Not sure how the layout is, how they get to the spot, but it might be from the other end, the other side. But definitely a lot of water in the lake, in the reservoir this year, and I think last year too. So, pretty interesting. They were able to make it over there. Pretty cool. It's time to leave Lahontan Reservoir State Park. So, got everything except hitch up the truck. Everything else is ready to go. And then I'm going to leave this place. I stayed one more extra night. I was only going to stay one night. But it was kind of a cool place. Beautiful sunsets, sunrises. Everybody having a good old time out there. Anyway, I'm glad I came here. Never been here. Lived in the area 25 years. I've never been here. So, on to the next one. We'll see you guys later.